Does your car air conditioner blast you with an odor every time you turn it on? Well, on this video, I'm going to show you what causes that and what you can do to fix it. And the good news is you don't need to buy anything and you don't need any tools. Let's get started. Everyone knows that when you place a cold beverage outside, the humidity in the air condenses on the glass, forming liquid droplets. You can utilize the humidity in the air to prevent your car air conditioner from developing an unpleasant odor. On your screen is a basic AC car evaporator. Before the air comes out of your air conditioner vents, it passes through the evaporator. If you always use the recirculate button to only reuse the air inside your car, the evaporator won't get enough moisture to stay clean. And most of the time, a dirty evaporator is what causes the bad odor from your AC vents. By switching to outside air, the evaporator will stay clean and the smell from your AC vents will go away. Thanks for watching.